Focus 5 Plus Action in SEM. This video is designed to upskill you in a key area of inventory routines that can improve your store's book stock accuracy. SEM, Stock Exit Management, is a system used to clear deleted lines from your store. It is store specific and calculates the price of reduction using book stock data and rate of sale. SEM will become known as markdowns / EAN level reductions as categories move over to the SAP ordering systems. SEM is specific to each store and calculates the price of reductions using book stock data and rate of sales on a line. This is identified by price cuts and non-price cuts and is based on a time frame to sell through as well as your book stock figure. SEM also manages the exit of non-range promotions when these promotions are due to end. Extended promotions will stay at the promotional price to clear through. There are 4 types of SEM events. Range review for lines being removed from the range at a range change 2-star and 3-star events only. Non-ranged promo manages the clearance of all lines that have been ranged for promotion and are no longer ranged after the promotion. Seasonal SEM, when stores receive a seasonal event, e.g. Christmas, Easter or Halloween. Stock take SEM. After a stock take, the system will generate a SEM legacy event to reduce any lines counted that are currently not in your range. Did you know? For SEM to work well, the accuracy of your book stock is key. Did you also know you should not manually reduce BWS products as these products should be stored in your warehouse? You can find, review and action SEM reports in the JDA open access system. Once logged into JDA, click activity reports. There you will see where you can access your SEM report. The active price cut report will display the products that have been reduced in price on your system along with your assumed book stock and the percentage reduction. It will also tell you when the SEM price will end. Review the price cut report weekly to check book stock and the prices up to date on your clearance SEL. If approaching the end of the SEM activity and you still have stock, you can manually reduce to clear. This will be your last opportunity to sell this stock. Your store will receive credit for each SEM product that you sell and will be credited for the cost of clearing each line. The total credit is shown on your store's electronic batch invoice (EBI) under the following codes: PRNR credit, non-range promotions, RR range review credit, and commercial event. You can use the SEM clearance process from Wednesday after the new plan has gone live. The date will be shown at the top of the planogram. To identify which lines can be reduced, print active price cuts report, leave date clear, check for all lines ending in -9 days, reduce using reason code SEM clearance and move to designated clearance space. Make sure that the clearance side racks are easily recognizable by customers using the clearance POS such as stripping and SEM self-edge labels. If you have stock at the end of the SEM event, you can waste SEM products on the Saturday and Sunday of the final weekend. Print off the SEM price cuts report. Review for any lines that state SEM ends on that weekend, Monday. The no price cut report details the products that are due to exit a range with the assumed book stock. Review the no price cut report weekly for book stock and mark the SEL with D for deleted, while also ensuring book stock is accurate at the same time. For lines being removed from range, ambient only, with no central SEM reduction, the following reductions can be applied at store's discretion. This is based on stock holding, using the date reason code. It's important to note that no credit will be issued for these lines. 25% reduction from week -2 of range change, 50% reduction when range change starts. SEM extended promotions will stay at the promotional price for 4 weeks and a further reduction will be applied 3 weeks following. Please ensure you're printing and actioning this report by Wednesday of each promotional change. As a top tip, actioning this report on a Tuesday saves on double handling of stock. To identify extended promotion products, these are products beginning with PR, promotional, review. You can find the repeat promotions report on the SEM intranet page and also on How Do I. Only lines not ranged need to be segregated in the warehouse by next promo date. Once the SEM process is completed, if there are any lines left in your store, these will then revert to full price. SEM will not pick up on these lines again until your Stock Take Legacy SEM event. Please listen to some best practice from one of our store managers.
Laura, and I'm just going to go through with you my top tips for SEM. So firstly, you print off your price cut and non-price cut report on a Monday and a Wednesday. Check your book stock, write D-list on the ticket, and then write down the end date on the SEL. This means that colleagues know when to remove the product from sale, and by doing this, the benefits will be a more controlled warehouse and will keep stock levels down.
You can find lots of other useful content on How Do I and the RBT intranet pages with links to helping you maintain your book stock accuracy and a video explaining the upcoming RBT changes. You can also speak to your regional availability partner, RBT delivery partner, or support network lead who will be happy to help with more information.